Are you looking for the best magnetic screwdriver sets for every job? Magnetic screwdriver sets have become essential for modern DIY, electronics repair, furniture assembly, and professional trades. The right set can save time, reduce dropped fasteners, and improve precision in tight spaces. In this review, I tested 5 market options across a price spectrum from budget to premium, focusing on versatility, magnet strength, ergonomic design, and case organization. My methodology combined hands-on use scenarios, electronics work, furniture assembly, bicycle repairs.
Product number 1. 24-in-1 magnetic ratchet screwdriver set with precision bits, ideal for home repairs. This Rucker Co. 24-in-1 set focuses on delivering essential precision bits in a compact form factor. Key features include a magnetic tip, an ergonomic non-slip handle, and a portable storage case that keeps all 24 bits organized for quick access. The full range includes Phillips, flathead, Torx, and other common head types, making it suitable for furniture assembly, electronics repairs, and everyday DIY tasks. In practice, the magnetic tips reduce dropped screws, particularly on small electronics and cabinet hardware. The ergonomic grip helps maintain control during extended sessions, and the slim dimensions, 6.97 by 4.13 by 0.71 inches, make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. However, with 24 bits, the selection is solid but not as expansive as higher count sets, which may limit rare size fasteners or specialty screws. The 12.4-ounce weight and alloy steel construction strike a balance between durability and portability, ideal for homeowners and hobbyists.
Product number 2. 34-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set. Bomivoy's 34-in-1 kit expands the bit library beyond a typical 24-in-1, including PH0 to PH3, Torx T8 to T40, hex, slotted, posi drive, and U-type bits. It uses a modular aluminum ratcheting handle with flexible configurations, straight, T-shape, or L-shape, to tackle tight spaces and awkward angles. The case is compact yet capable of magnetizing bits on the go via an integrated magnetizer within the case. Performance-wise, the 58-tooth ratchet and 6.2-degree increment deliver precise control with substantial feel in electronics work and small appliances. The 32S2 steel bits are notably robust for long-term use, and the color-coded rings speed bit selection. The main trade-offs are the weight, around 14 ounces, and the premium feel that still sits at a mid-range price. If your tasks include electronics, bikes, and furniture assembly, and you value configuration versatility, this set offers strong value.
Product number 3. 42-in-1 magnetic screwdriver. Mr. Tona's 42-in-1 bundle leverages a combination of 8 long bits and 32 short bits, packed in an aluminum T-handle ratchet with magnetic tips. The set emphasizes versatility for precision electronics, glosses, watches, bikes, and DIY furniture. The inclusion of a magnetization chamber in the case helps refresh bit magnetism on the go, which is a notable feature for magnet-reliant work. The 6.2-degree 58-tooth ratchet delivers smooth, low-rotation tightening, effectively reducing effort by up to 80%. The tool uses an alloy steel composition, S2, for the bits and an aluminum T-handle for durability and reduced weight, 1.08 pounds. In real-world use, the 42-in-1 configuration is excellent for tech repairs and small hardware tasks, but it's a larger package than typical pocket sets, which may be overkill for casual users. The magnetized bits and refill-friendly design are strong selling points for frequent magnet users.
Product number 4. Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver. Craftsman brings a broadly capable 26-piece ratcheting screwdriver set with a broad mix of square, hex, and Phillips slotted bits, plus nut drivers and a telescoping pickup tool. The set emphasizes ergonomic grip and a durable CRV construction, and it comes with a lifetime warranty, underscoring Craftsman's emphasis on reliability for professional and home use alike. In practice, the 26-piece assortment is very handy for general repairs, carpentry, electrical, mechanical, and plumbing tasks. The quick rotation control and added grip texture give improved torque management, especially in heavy torque tasks. The main trade-offs are a relatively large overall footprint, 13.4 by 12.2 by 9.3 inches, and a low overall weight rating that may mislead buyers about actual heft when held. However, the included components are well thought out, and the lifetime warranty adds long-term value.
Product number 5. 74-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set. Mr. Tono's premium 74-in-1 kit substantially expands the bit universe, including 6 long bits, 29 standard bits, and 35 precision bits across PH, SL, Torx, Hex, PZ, and U shapes. It also features a detachable handle, an adapter, and an internal magnetization recharge block to maintain magnet strength. The build prioritizes long-term versatility for electronics, appliances, and complex assemblies. In use, the 58-tooth ratchet with 6.2-degree increments shines for delicate electronics and precision assembly, with the magnetization feature ensuring screws stay gripped during handling. The combination of an aluminum T-handle and high-strength S2 steel bits provides a robust, long-lasting tool, though the large 7.4 by 4.7 by 1.5 inch case and 8-ounce weight make portability a consideration. This set is best for power users, tech lovers, and professionals who require a near-universal bit library in a single kit.